New at 5, the number of Omicron cases continues to grow. The city of Houston just announced 2 Omicron cases, a woman in her 20s and a man in his 30s, both with no recent travel. Galveston County also reported its first case. Local officials have also reported cases in Fort Bend and Harris County. But nationwide, the CDC says the Delta variant is causing cases, hospitalizations, and deaths to rise once again. And it's pushing some healthcare workers to the point of exhaustion.
We're seeing more people die at a rate that we've never seen die before.
I've gone home a few days and had days where I just cry. And as a mom, it's really hard because my kids then are challenged to see that.
Health experts are urging the public to get vaccinated. Those pleas are being echoed by leaders in Houston's Latin community. COVID-19 was the leading cause of death for Hispanics in Harris County. That's according to a new report. Brittany Ford joins us live now. Brittany, you spoke with a Latino business owner leading by example in safe practices and education.
Well, we did. A majority of the employees here at Pico's restaurant are Hispanic, and the owner here, Arnaldo Richard, tells me they are well aware of the hard-hitting impacts COVID has had on the Latino community, which is why they're doing their part to help bring those numbers down.
Los buñuelos, okay. Perfect.
Arnaldo Richards, owner of Pico's restaurant on Kirby Drive, says navigating through the pandemic has been tough.
We continue to follow the same protocols. I mean, we're still taking temperatures with the employees. Everybody's wearing a mask.
He says they've found ways to educate and encourage employees to stay safe.
We did give them incentives. First it was $50 and then it was $100. For them to go and get vaccinated, because I mean they had to go and take the time, perhaps lose a day of work.
An effort he says is working.
Most of them took the offer.
Harris County Public Health's latest mortality report found COVID-19 was the leading cause of death for Hispanics, accounting for more than 20% of the total deaths in the county for 2020.
We also understand that for Latinos, many of them have institutional distrust of government. And the political tone of these vaccinations.
Did you have any symptoms at all with the first dose?
Over the last year, the city and county have hosted several outreach events in Latino communities working to build trust in the vaccine, something Hispanic Chamber of Commerce President Dr. Laura Murillo says needs to continue.
We've seen great and tremendous heavy lifting from the county and city, providing it in places where we already frequent and visit, such as churches, community centers. We need to keep doing that. We need to educate people about getting vaccinated.
Education, Richard says, can start in the workplace.
The majority of my staff is Hispanic, yes, but the majority of my staff is vaccinated.
Now, the report also found that some of those deaths were from people who had pre-existing conditions like diabetes and heart disease. Mia?
They're still startling numbers and something needs to be done. Brittany Ford, thank you.